Yeah, it's me, Earthmanbrick, and we're back with more Wild West action. And we're making up another one of these. We're making up the Gunstore. Now, here's the ones we've done previously. We've done the Undertaker and the Barber Shop. With the Undertaker, I thought, well, there wasn't any room for any coffins, so I made this whole extension area from old other bits of MDF and whatnot. And, yeah, we added the coffins. Because, you know, it's nice to jazz up a build. You just do it as per. It gets a bit boring. So, without much further ado, I did the Gunstore. Here it is. It's all done and dusted. It's all painted. And all we've done is we've added on a few bottles and barrels and crates. The barrels are from a plastic kit. I think it's Renadra. It's one of their range. And the crates came from another MDF kit. And I've just kind of recycled them there. Really not a lot to it. Oh, and the bottles, those are just pre-stretched plastic. So I scratch built those. And yeah, it's another one there. But that would be a pretty short and boring video. So what I did was, you can see how the Undertaker here has a roof, and this one's got a flat roof. That's the option you get with these. So I've been collecting the parts for the interiors of these kits, as well as the roofs, to make up new stuff. And I've got one here. This is our general store, and it's a butcher's as well. So we've gone with the whole. We made up this base completely from scratch. That's all wooden stirrers that I half-inched from my local Weatherspoons. Very generous, very generous company. Couldn't sing their praises high enough. Really like how they do outreach with the community, especially the crafting community. Yeah. And yeah, so we've made up this. This is just all bits of card, and we've used the roof tiles there. And I've just gone and stuck in and drilled and pinned some cocktail sticks. So this will affix onto there. Just line it up with the existing holes. No sense in making new ones. And so that's just going to stick on right there. We've got now we've got this little roof here, and we've used some of the let me just grab them, wooden crafting twigs. Now the reason I bought these was because these aren't like your average twigs where they're all kind of horrendously misshapen. These ones are pretty darn straight, so I've used those to make this extension on it, to make it look like it was made as an extension. And we've used some of the bits left over from the sprue frame for this to make up an extra little piece of roof. And the plan is to have some hanging meat and stuff there. So I've gone and sculpted this. You'll see enough the process. So it's just taking a couple of pieces of card, cutting around them to make a, I don't know what kind of a shape you would call it, an H. And then thrown on some of the putty, and yeah, just then painted it up. And the colours we used were red, white house paint, and another super cheapy paint, flesh colour. It's just called flesh. It's not called dwarf face flesh or orc giblet flesh. No, it's just called flesh. And yeah, we've made up a whole bunch of meaty bits and stuff here. So we've got a chicken, sausage, we've got a hoch, or a leg of lamb, or whatever you want to call it. Did have another piece. Oh, there it is. Yeah, just kind of hit it red at the ends, pink around the edge, and then just some marbling of white. So very easy, didn't use any tricks or techniques. And those are going to be hung on this thing. I'll show it once it's all done, because I've not started the painting process on this yet. Mainly because I'll need to put the roof in place, but I needed to access these areas first. So these are all going to go on. I'll just pop those there for now. There is another couple of bits. Don't know where they went. but I went and took an old, what is it? I went to my local Cosmo, which is like a buffet place, and they had, because the Cosmo food places do a whole variety of continental foods, so you get like your Italian, your American food, you get your Indian food. It's like a cultural smorgasbord, and it literally is a smorgasbord. It's a whole buffet, and you can just fill up your plates with whatever. And they have, because it's like Chinese food and stuff, they have lots of chopsticks, so I went to help myself to some, and I'll be using those for the posts for this bit at the front here, so I'll fix those in place and glue them in. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this once it's all done and dusted. So, bye for now. See you again soon. Hello there, and we're back. So, this is how we got on with our previous kits, obviously, and but how did we get on with the paint job on this one? So, here we go. There's the general store, and I think this paint job's worked out quite nicely. Yes, and we've glued in place all of the meat, and yeah, we didn't really add anything much else to it. Just a few little tufts here and there. Now, painting wise, I've used two colors. We've used cheapo White House paint and this. This is, what is it? It's burnt umber acrylic ink. So just two colors, and look at the result. I'm pretty darn happy with it. Yep. I think the job's a good one. It's good enough. And there's those the chopsticks we've used for these pillars. I think those have worked out rather nicely. So yeah, I'm very happy, and I think it's a sign of what you can do with this spares and extra bits. So, thanks again for watching. That's all I've got for you today. So, good riddance. Bye.